But I like this area for the...
She loves it. He thinks the three-bedroom apartment at nearly $500,000 is overpriced.
厨房呀，厨房。
Bill Yu, a software designer, and Lydia Wang, a TV producer, have a new baby and are looking for a bigger place. But unlike the US, China has dodged the recession and property prices are soaring. In Shanghai, according to this realtor, this year they've already gone up by 20 to 30%. Yes, he says, it's a little bit crazy. So crazy that ordinary people are struggling.
We think we are kind of middle class in China. If the people like us cannot buy a property, who can buy it? Only the bosses or rich people can do it.
With the stock market up 70% this year, there are plenty of rich people around. Shanghai is China's version of New York City, a center of finance and entertainment where everyone wants to live. Predictably, that's driving real estate prices sky high. Although average Chinese incomes are less than 1/10 of what they are in the United States, an apartment in this downtown complex will cost you $5 million. Chinese have one of the world's highest savings rates, but have only been allowed to buy their own homes in the last 10 years. Money has flooded into property. The authorities know the risks of a bubble and a US-style crash. So they regulate.
The Chinese government has been very, very conservative when it comes to lending. If you're a first-time home buyer, you have to put at least 20% cash down. If you're an investor, the minimum is usually about 40%.
Foreclosures? Almost unheard of.
China's situation is different. Still not totally free capitalism market because the government has some invisible hands behind.
Sometimes not so invisible.
Yeah, that's right.
The Liu family are going to wait to buy because they think prices will come down this winter somewhat. Nobody thinks Shanghai will ever be cheap. Terry McCarthy, CBS News, Shanghai.